Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make Greek peinirli, but don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. For realize we need these ingredients: 500 grams of veal minced meat, 50 grams of olive oil, 100 grams of mixed vegetables, carrots, onion, leeks, and 10 grams of Greek ouzo, 50 grams of tomato concentrate, salt, pepper, cinnamon, clove powder, and 1 kilo of ready pizza dough. And mixed cheese, cheddar, Gouda. We will do also one with Greek salad on the top. We prepare the Greek salad with tomatoes, onions, cucumber, sweet peppers, feta cheese, olive oil, Greek olives. We put the oil first. We put the meat inside. We put the vegetables inside. We turn. We put ouzo inside. We put the tomato concentrate and we turn it. Now we put the herbs. Now the ragu is ready. We cut the pizza dough. Now the peinirli is ready. We put the ragu sauce inside and the top cheese. Now we put at the top cheese. Smells really good. It's beautiful. Now our peinirli is ready. We inside the oven. Now we prepare 3 more of peinirli. I'll put inside the Greek salad. Now also these peinirli are ready, we'll put them in the oven. Here they are, our peinirli, hot from the oven. Let's try it. Excellent! But don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy them!